Hello friends, this is the infrared thermometer, beam thermometer that I ordered from AliExpress, and I received it in India through registered post in 20 days. This is the standard packaging. This is the outside packaging that I received it from. Bubble pack inside, so it's a bit shock absorbing. And this is the standard packaging. 2 cells and the English instruction manual in this yellow color gun. I chose this model because this uses only 2 AAA batteries. I don't need the 9-volt one. So this is an easier one available and cheaper also. So you can see its features and all. It's mentioned on the top, from -50 to 360 degrees centigrade, -58 to 680 Fahrenheit. That is converted. Accuracy is kind of ±1.5%. Distance to spot ratio, that is DS, is 12:1. So if the spot is 1, then 1 inch that you have to cover, then 12 inches should be the minimum distance, and you have to multiply accordingly. So if it is 3, then it is 36:3. And emissivity is 0.95% fixed. So kind of every hot object has a specific emissivity. So this is what it can deal with, 0.95, and it has both C and F, and auto power off, data hold, and laser on off selectable, and backlight on off also is selectable. That's the way it goes. Now I'll just open it. So this is the English reviewer manual. Kind of gives very clear instructions about how to use it and what all precautions you need to take. All those informations are there, and this is kind of very handy. You can see here, and there's the laser gun part and the socket to catch the emissivity. On the top, this is for pointing, so to make sure you're pointing in the right direction, you have 3 buttons. One is for the change of centigrade, Fahrenheit, temperature and power on, and this is the button. You can use it to beam it, then it will automatically shut down to save battery. Here you can see the compartment to put the battery. It just closes like this. It's pretty simple, handy and easy to use. I'll just put the battery out here. So I've put the battery out here, and I have to pull this trigger so that it can power on. You have to leave the trigger, then it will tell you the temperature of whatever you are beaming it at. And this one is to turn on and off the laser, and this is the backlight, and this is centigrade and Fahrenheit. You can see the screen switched off to save battery. This is power saving mode. Now I'll try this inside the freezer compartment of my household fridge. See, it says -0.2 degrees centigrade and -10 if I directly put it to ice. That's the way. And if I inside the main refrigerator compartment, 2.4 degrees centigrade. So if I put directly to the flame, doesn't make much sense, but 127-30 degrees centigrade it shows. You can find the hot spot also like this. It's not for human body though, but I can try it there and see what reading it gives right now. So it shows 33.5, so that's kind of accurate. 98.1 Fahrenheit or 33.5 Celsius. Works pretty well. So if I try the human body, you can see it's 33.8 degrees centigrade, so that's kind of very accurate.